Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands. And if you thought I was looking a bit tired in the previous videos, well, that's probably because I am really tired. Working on the book, watchmaking book, and real progress finally. Working really hard to have it finished so it can be ordered before Christmas and at home before Christmas. Been working on it on and off for quite some time, but now finally we have a deadline. This is mid-May, and I'm meeting my publisher 10th of June. So that is about 3 weeks, and then we have to finish and edit it, all the text. Meeting my editor, well, it's my mate Frank, but of publisher, it's my mate Frank, but he is a publisher. He knows everything about these things. The book itself, I can't give you the title yet because we are working on the URLs. I promise it is going to be special. As far as we know now, 29 chapters, 4, well, do you call it appendix? Things you can look up. A section about a bit more about the theory, understanding stuff, and vintage watches, and stuff like that. And one section working on watches, so a bit theory, a bit practical, and very useful, I think. So that's the text. Well, my girlfriend is a professional watchmaker. Sorry, I am really tired and it is really late. My girlfriend is a professional photographer, so the photos in the book, I'm sure, is going to be top notch. And I explained earlier, so you probably know, with each text there will be a QR code, and then you point your telephone, your camera to the QR code, and you get a clip where I explain the text again. So it's really going to be visual. And each month there will be new content through the QR codes in the book. So the book will refresh itself every month. So even if you put it on a shelf and hadn't read it for weeks, when you open it and you point your camera, there will be new content. I think that is quite cool. So the 29 chapters, really, well, I'm filling them out now and looking very good. Finally, good progress. But watchmaking during the daytime, in the evening, typing, and the creative process, it is taking its toll because I am quite tired, but it is going to be okay. Another 3 weeks, and then the editing will be finished, and then more the visual creative process of what pictures we want. And we already know the layout of the book and the look and the feel and the thickness and stuff like that. It's going to be print by order in the US and here in Europe. So the sending costs and the import stuff will be quite low. And doesn't take too much time then to send it to, well, anybody who wants to read it. So the real details, sorry about that, you have to wait for tiny bit longer until we have the URLs for the videos and stuff like that. But mammoth task, but in a strange way so satisfying to get all the thoughts and experience on paper. And then again the video next to it to explain it a bit more visual. So that's why I'm looking a bit tired in the videos. All of you, if there is more information, you will be the first to know. I'm going to continue the typing, and you see me soon. Enjoy your weekend. See ya. Bye bye.